everyone, it's Anne. Today I'll show you how to create discounts on your store using Shopify's built-in feature. Shopify actually supports 4 different discount types. Let me break them down. First is the amount off products. This lets you offer either a discount on specific items or collections. Second, it's the amount off order. This takes a discount on the customer's entire cart total. Third is buy X get Y, which means that when customers buy a specific quantity or cart value, they get another item at a discount or for free. And finally, the free shipping, which is pretty self-explanatory. Now let me walk you through each offer type's setup. First, amount off products. From your Shopify admin, go to Discounts on the left menu, then click Create Discount and select Amount Off Products. There are 2 methods to activate this discount: using a discount code that customers enter manually, or applying automatically when conditions are met. The setup between these 2 is nearly identical, so I'll use automatic discount as an example. First, generate your discount title. This is what customers will see, so make it clear. Mine is Birthday 10, as a brand anniversary gift to appreciate customers. Next, set your discount value. Choose either percentage or fixed amount, then enter the number. Below that, select which products this discount applies to. You can choose specific collections or specific products, then pick the purchase type. The eligibility section lets you decide who can use this discount: all customers, specific customer segments, or individual customers. Enable Apply on POS Pro locations if you want the discount to work at your physical store too. Next, choose from the minimum purchase requirements options and fill in the value based on your selection. For example, I want customers to spend at least $50 to get a discount on the items. Here's the combination setup. This determines whether your discount can stack with other active discounts you've created using Shopify's feature. Finally, schedule when this offer starts and ends. When everything looks good, click Save to make your discount go live. Now let's test the offer we have just created. I will add 1 item into cart. The discount is not applied because I set up the minimum purchase requirement is $50. So I'll add another product and check the cart. The discount is now automatically applied. Next up is amount off order. This setup is quite similar to amount off products. The only difference is that this discount applies to the customer's total cart value instead of individual products, so that you don't need to choose a specific product or collection. Just follow the same steps I covered in amount off products. After that, click Save and I'll show you how it works on your store. For my discount, it's 20% off the total order on a first-time purchase. I'll add a random item to my cart to see how the discount works. Now I'll explore the Buy X, Get Y offer. Similar to other discount types, start with your discount title. What's different are the Customer Buys and Customer Gets sections. In Customer Buys, you need to define what triggers the offer. Choose whether customers need to buy a minimum quantity of items or a minimum purchase amount. Fill in the value, then select the product or collection you want. Don't forget to select the purchase type you want, then set the reward in Customer Gets. Specify how many items the customer receives, which products they can choose from, and the discount value, either percentage off, fixed amount off, or completely free. Enable the Set a Maximum Number of Uses per Order box to limit how many times the discount can apply in a single purchase. When you're done, click Save to publish your offer. Now let's see how it works on the storefront. I'll add items to surpass $100, the spending threshold to receive the earrings. But here's the thing, the gift won't automatically appear in the cart. Customers have to add it manually, then the discount applies, and the gift becomes free. This extra step creates friction and can increase your cart abandonment rate. Instead, you can use the BOGOS app's free plan to automatically add gifts to your customer's cart the moment they qualify. Here is the last one, free shipping. For this offer type, you need to specify where this applies by selecting the All Countries option or specific regions. Next, choose the purchase type. Enable Exclude shipping rates over a certain amount if you want to disable free shipping when the shipping cost exceeds a specific value. The rest are also similar to other discount types, except these 3 options for recurring payments if you choose subscription in the purchase type. Head to the combinations section if you want to stack this offer with other active discounts. Finally, click Save to make your offers go live. I'll show you how it works. For my store, I've set up an offer. Spend $100 from the dresses and jumpsuits collection and receive a free pair of earrings plus free shipping. The earrings are at no cost and the delivery fee is free too. One more thing, Shopify's built-in discounts don't always stack. When multiple discounts are eligible, Shopify only applies the one with the highest value. Here's an example. This combination flowy dress has a 10% discount. I also have a buy $100 on the dress and jumpsuit collection and getting free earrings. The 10% discount kicks in automatically. Now I'll add the earrings as my gift. As you see, the earrings are free, but the 10% off discount doesn't work anymore. That's how Shopify's built-in discount features work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.